DoorDash and Uber Eats can both send you a $7 delivery, but the real difference is how often those good orders show up and how much dead time sits between them. By the end of this, you'll know which app usually pays more per hour, which one gives better flexibility, and which one makes more sense for your area. Here's the short answer. Neither app always pays more. The winner depends on your market, your timing, and how selective you are. Uber Eats usually has stronger tip potential. That matters because drivers keep 100% of tips. A single high-tip restaurant order can carry an entire hour. But Uber Eats can also be less consistent in slower zones. DoorDash is usually stronger on volume. More volume means less waiting. That matters because idle time kills hourly pay. If you complete 3 smaller DoorDash orders in an hour instead of 1 Uber Eats order, DoorDash can win even with lower tips. That's the first thing to compare. Order frequency. Second is order transparency. Both apps show estimated payouts before you accept. That helps you filter bad orders. A $5 order going 9 miles is weak on either app. A $14 order going 4 miles is strong. Drivers who reject low-value trips usually make better hourly numbers. That's true on both platforms. Third is scheduling. DoorDash often pushes drivers into scheduled blocks in busy areas. That gives structure but less freedom. Uber Eats lets you jump in and out more freely. That makes it better for people doing quick shifts. If you only have 90 minutes free, Uber Eats can be easier. Now, the expense side. Both apps hit your car the same way. Gas, maintenance, and taxes reduce everything. A good-looking $120 day can shrink fast after expenses. That's why per-mile profit matters more than gross pay. If you're comparing the two, run both apps for 1 week. Track total hours, total miles, total fuel, and total payout. That gives you real data, not guesses. So which pays more per hour? Uber Eats can pay more when tips are strong. DoorDash can pay more when order volume is higher. In busy cities, a lot of drivers use both and switch depending on demand. That's usually the smartest move. Quick recap. Uber Eats often wins on bigger single orders. DoorDash often wins on consistency. Your market decides everything. Your next step is simple. Test both for 5 shifts and compare your actual hourly profit. If this helped, like the video and subscribe for more delivery app breakdowns.